Hello YouTube viewers. Today I received a Happymodel Mobula7. It's micro FPV whoop drone, and let's see what's in the box. Some stickers. This is the manual. I will check it out later. And this is the drone itself. So it is 1S and 2S micro drone. Here you actually have two 1S batteries, and this is serial connection for two batteries. You can use 1S battery, but bigger one. Just remove these batteries and this adapter, and you have a space for a larger 1S battery. In that case, you will need to bridge one of these connectors and use 1S battery. I will use it in this 2S configuration, as it is already prepared. And what can I show you now? Tiny brushless motors. Let's see what else is in the box. This is a standard version, so it comes with two additional batteries and USB charger. Advanced version comes with a parallel charger, parallel 1S charger for 1S batteries. I have that charger, so I just didn't need advanced version. And in the box you have, of course, spare propellers. Here is I don't know if you can see, this is what I was talking about when you're using 1S battery. This is the bridge. You need to bridge one of these connectors to use the drone with 1S battery. Some spare screws, screwdriver, and this is for taking out and removing propeller. Okay, this is DSM and DSM-X version, because I have a Spectrum radio. I think it's already configured. I just need to bind it and try flying it. I hope I will do it today, and I will put the video footage in this video, and of course a link to this product you can find in the video description. Okay, for now let's configure it and fly it.